Man, I have to go to school. And I hate school. Crap. It's Riker.
Jackson, time for school.
Arrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrr Oh no! It's raining. I better run fast.
Good morning, class. And today we are talking about reading and math.
Bob,
Yes, what do you need?
I need to use the restroom.
Okay, you can go, but please don't ditch school or pull the fire alarm.
What can I do? I can't ditch school. I got it. I'll just pull the fire alarm. Ha 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 ha. Now it's the time to pull the fire alarm.
Oh my god, it's the fire alarm. Everyone go outside. Okay, the fire alarm went off.
Ha 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 ha.
Jackson, what are you laughing about? Wait, did you pull the fire alarm?
Yes.
Oh. Jackson, how dare you pull the fire alarm? Guess what? You are going to Chris's office. Go now.
Wah!
What is it this time?
I pulled the fire alarm.
Oh, my God. Oh. Jackson, how dare you pull the fire alarm? You're expelled, and I'm calling Riker.
No 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 no. Please don't correct turd.
Hello, Chris. And what did Jackson do? You're not going to be happy, but Jackson pulled the fire alarm. He did? Oh. I will pick him up. Okay, Riker will pick you up. Jackson, 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 Jackson. Let's go home.
Wah!
Jackson, I cannot believe you pulled the fire alarm. That's it. You're grounded. Now go to your room and think about what you did.
Wah! Wah! I regret pulling the fire alarm. And I hate school.